How people with $0 savings build their first $1,000 fast. It's the end of the month, rent is paid, bills are paid, and you check your account. $4.18, not $4,000, $4.18. And somewhere in your head, a voice says, how is anyone supposed to save $1,000 when there's nothing left to save? Look, if that's you, this video is for you, because building your first $1,000 from zero doesn't work like saving your $10,000. It's a completely different game, and most people quit before they even start because they're using the wrong playbook. Here's the uncomfortable truth. You cannot budget your way to your first $1,000 if your budget is already at zero. Budgeting protects money you already have. It doesn't create money you don't. So here's what actually works. Step 1. Stop trying to save 20%. If your income barely covers expenses, 20% is fantasy. Instead, find one single leak, one subscription, one delivery app, one impulse habit. Just one. That's not a budget. That's a starting point. Step 2. Create a separate invisible account. Money sitting in your main checking account gets spent. Money tucked somewhere you don't see daily survives. This single move alone saves more than most people realize. Step 3. Sell before you save. Look around your house right now. Old electronics, unused clothes, unopened gifts. People sitting on $0 often have $300 to $500 worth of stuff just collecting dust. That's not extra income. That's your starting capital. Step 4. Stack small income. Don't chase big income. You don't need a second job tomorrow. You need $10 here, $20 there. Delivery apps, freelance gigs, selling skills online. Small stacks add up faster than people expect because momentum, not size, builds the habit. Step 5. Automate every win immediately. The moment money comes in from selling, gig work, or a leak you cut, move it instantly. Don't let it sit in your spending account, even for a day, because here's what most people don't realize. The first $1,000 isn't built through one big decision. It's built through dozens of tiny ones, stacked fast, before motivation runs out. So if you're starting from zero right now, you're not behind. You're just one decision away from starting. Which leak are you cutting today? Let me know in the comments, because the moment your first dollar moves into that separate account, that